Alright, at least I'm getting a Schindler out of this. Dieselducy posted a video here recently. Okay, we are just straight up in a mall. Yep, Schindler escalators, Dick's Sporting Goods, Scenic 330a. Dang, dude. 2 little guide rails and that's it. Ooh, it has HD standard. Love me a good HD standard over premium. I'm not gonna NGL. What's your existence date? No, wait. Ooh. Yeah, this definitely would have been low pitched.
This looks familiar.
Yeah, I wonder why. Installed 2002. That's pretty good. You good? Ooh, was she loud?
No, wait.
Dang, dude, this is sad. This definitely would have been low pitch for sure. Car number 8, huh? Oh. Well, excuse you. I already forgot what. Hang on. I should shut up and listen to this. Come on, you got it. You got it. There you go. Y'all can come in. All right, I'll see you.
Watching?
Oh. Come on, girlie. Yeah, she's called again. Come on, girl. There you go. Not low on oil quite yet. Where'd she go? Oh, no, I'm all good. Okay, that's it. I didn't even notice this before, but it's got the logo on the outside. Definitely a sign of its age.